In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Firefox homepage widgets. If you'd like to personalize the Firefox homepage, Mozilla Firefox makes it easy to customize the widgets and content that appear whenever you open a new window or a new tab. You can choose which sections are displayed, such as shortcuts, recent activity, recommendations, and other homepage features, allowing you to create a cleaner and more useful browsing experience. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find these options and how to customize them. To get started, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, navigate to the Firefox homepage by opening a new tab or your homepage if it's already set as Firefox Home. On the homepage, look toward the upper right corner and click the gear icon. This opens the Home Customization panel where you can manage the widgets and sections displayed on the page. If you don't see the gear icon, you can also access the same options by clicking the Application menu in the upper right corner of Firefox and selecting Settings. Once the Settings page opens, choose the Home section from the menu on the left. This page contains the same customization options available from the home page. Within the Home settings, you'll see several categories that can be enabled or disabled. These include shortcuts, recent activity, recommended stories, and other homepage content, depending on your version of Firefox. Each category includes its own options that let you decide what information appears on the home page. To remove a widget or section, simply clear its corresponding checkbox or turn off its toggle if one is available. The change is applied immediately, giving your homepage a cleaner appearance without requiring a browser restart. If you'd like to display a section again later, return to the same home settings and enable it. Firefox lets you adjust these options whenever your preferences change, making it easy to personalize the browser over time. Some sections also provide additional customization options. For example, you may be able to control how many rows of shortcuts appear or choose whether recently visited websites are included. Review the available settings for each section and adjust them according to your browsing habits. Once you've finished customizing your homepage, simply close the Settings tab or return to the Firefox homepage. Your changes are saved automatically, and the updated layout will be visible the next time you open a new tab or homepage. That's all there is to it. Customizing Firefox homepage widgets is a simple way to create a more organized, personalized, and distraction-free browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,